Hey y'all, it's me Megs, and I am back with another video. And would you believe me if I told you this was a personality unit, but it was a V part? I've been really loving this curly texture, and I'm going to show you how I got this to blend, how I got the curls to pop, and what I think about this V part unit by Nadula Hair. I've been using Nadula Hair for quite some time, so let's get into all the specs and all the info about it, okay? So this is the Jerry Curl wig, and this is how the hair came exactly out of the box. But I knew I was gonna wash it because I was like, okay, this curly texture, I know this is gonna look slightly different after I wash and condition it, because I like my texture to be more of a soft, touchable feel. So I like using Aveda products on my curly textured hair. I like using a nice leave-in spray conditioner for curly units to get those curls to really pop. So I highly suggest you wash and condition the hair, add some leave-in conditioner, and detangle prior to wearing, because it just gives a more just juicier look, you know? So I'm just detangling from the bottom up, taking my time doing this. But I notice whenever I have curly textured units, I do receive a lot of shedding. So this was actually quite normal for me. So I wasn't alarmed by the shedding. So I am going to use a nice foam. This is my favorite one by Cream of Nature. And I use kind of a bit of this. I go in with this. I do a couple pumps and I start from the ends and working my way all the way up to the top with this V-part wig, because this is 24 inches and it is the Jerry Curl pattern, and it is 24 inches at 150 density. So I put on quite a bit of this, and I'm applying more. I want to get it all over, and I like doing it like this because it really makes the curls pop and last. Okay, so I'm just making sure this is everywhere, and I'm gonna take a Denman brush and I'm just gonna really brush through the hair. And let me tell you, it's so soft and it feels really, really good. So after the initial detangle, I did not receive any more shedding. So I do want to let you guys know that. So when I am brushing through the hair, I'm applying a little bit of pressure when I pull through, just so I can get the curls to kind of like clump in a way. And as you can see, this hair has some amazing shine. It's so pretty. And I'm really excited about this unit because it is 150 density, and I actually prefer that density when it comes to wigs because I feel like it looks more natural. I don't want a whole lot of hair, especially because it's hot here in LA and I don't need a whole bunch of hair. And curly texture is just really easy for the summertime and for vacation too. So as you can see, I'm just brushing through this hair. It's starting to clump and curl up beautifully. This texture is really, really nice. So this is actually how it dried. Really nice, shiny, and moisturized. You don't have to do too much or add any additional product to this. Once it air dries, it looks absolutely amazing. So of course later on we're gonna fluff this up, but you could keep it looking like this in that kind of wet and wavy look, which you can definitely achieve with this hair. So this is the V-part unit. I love V-parts because they give such a natural, realistic look. And with this V-part, it does have some clipping kind of like comb attachments. They're clips, and you would clip these on. So it's 5 in the front near the V, and I really love that the lace at the V part is black, so you won't be clogged. And this is the breathable unit by Nadula. So the tracks are sewn on and you're allowed to have some airflow through your unit. And it does have a comb at the nape area and adjustable straps, which I absolutely love. So I did braid my hair. I am going through recovery with my hair, so protective styles have been my go-to. And I just apply a few cornrows to my hair, especially around the hairline. So everything is looking how I want it to look. I am gonna fluff the hair out just a little bit, but I'm not gonna over fluff it because I don't want to frizz it out. So it's just giving natural. I really love the zigzag part that I did because it provides me with a little extra volume at the leave out area where I won't be clogged. So boom, that is the blended leave out, and this V part unit is really comfortable. It's not heavy, especially where I clipped in the V part. It's very comfortable and very secure and flat laying, which I really like. So I give this a A+. I don't have any complaints when it comes to this hair. I am 4'11", so this curly unit is 24 inches, and I feel like that's the perfect length for me. I love this. I think this will be perfect vacation hair, perfect low manipulation protective styles if you're trying to grow your hair out but you don't want to use heat and you don't want to manipulate in your leave out very often. I take this wig off, retwist my hair at night, and then pop the wig back on when I do want to wear it again. So it's very low maintenance after you wash, condition, and prep the wig for use. All information about this unit will be down in the description as well. Nadula.